If you really want to learn how to speak in English, you should believe in yourself. Yes, guys, just believe in yourself that you can speak in English. If you are stopping yourself just because people are going to watch you, they are going to judge you. So, for once, just avoid everyone. Just feel like you are alone. No one is here to look at you. No one is listening you. So, and just start speaking. No matter how you start, no matter what first word you will speak, no matter what word you are going to speak out first, what you are going to learn, what you are going to speak, just start speaking and you will find. Just if you will start, then you will end by developing something, by learning something, and by having few words in English with you, by having few sentences with you. And this is how you will learn, guys. There is no other way to learn just quickly. If you will wait for something, that something will come and just magically you will learn in 1 day or 2 day. It is never going to happen. If you really want to learn, you have to give your 100%. You have to be that much eager to learn. You have to manage yourself. You have to control in yourself that yes, you can speak. You have that much guts that you are going to speak fluently in English. For starting, yes, it is always difficult to speak. Even you can take examples of little kids. They don't know how to speak. What they do, they learn from one word, from word, uh, letter, from anything, but they slowly start speaking. So there is only that way to speak any language, not just English, not just Hindi, not any language in this world. So yes, I believe there are so many resources nowadays. There is no restrictions for people that you don't have anything. So that's why you are not going to talk. Nowadays we have so many resources, so many resources. So just do one thing. Just if you are seeing any video, if you are seeing this video, just see how I am speaking. See, I am not a fluent. I don't have a lot of vocabulary with me. I don't have a lot of words with me, but what I do, I just speak natural, the basic language of English. I think people can understand it because it is so clear. And I believe, because I practiced a lot, I practice in my mind. I practice, whoever I see can speak with me, I try to communicate with them. So that's why how I started speaking, and that is my way to speak. I always try my best, and this is how I learned. So guys, I just want to tell you, don't wait for anyone. Don't distract by anyone. If you want to learn, you can learn. If you want to speak, you can speak. So just go for it. Just start learning. Just start speaking. You can write down few words. You can repeat that. You can see any videos of your favorite heroines. You can watch videos of your favorite cricketers, favorite sports person, or favorite politician. If he is speaking in English, just watch his video, just watch his speech. If you like that, just start copying him, just start copying her, whatever. Just see how they are speaking. Just, I'm not saying that just mimic on of them. You will develop your own English. Just try how they are speaking and how you are speaking. It may be a little difference. Maybe how he is speaking and how you are speaking will be very different. But what should you do? You should look at yourself, that how you communicate, how you pronunciate any word, and that is how you are going to tell you. Just I have seen a few of the videos, I don't know where, maybe in YouTube, that today's English is not how you communicate, how you you are going to pronunciate anything. you know Even British English and American English is very different. Even in a if French people will speak English, that will be a very different manner. Their accent is very different. If you will see Japanese, they are speaking very different. So we are Indians, we have our own accent. So there is no shame that if you are not talking like the same you are watching in videos, you are watching people, you are watching the English peoples. No, not at all. You are going to develop your own English. You are going to speak the way your voice and your pronunciation style is going to develop. So there is no chance that you are going to speak same like an English people. Just believe in yourself and just start speaking. You will be fluent in it by the years after you practice. So because I was in a very, I think I was in class ninth when I started speaking in English, and I always wanted to speak in English, but I don't know, from class ninth I think I started speaking in English because I had I don't know. I think I had it, but because from the very beginning, I knew that I have this potential to speak, and I can speak. So no matter how mistakes I have made, no matter how much people laughed at me, but today what I am, because I tried to maintain, I tried to learn, I tried to speak. No matter in first stage you are going to speak wrong, it will happen. If anything, you are not a perfect pro, right? I think perfect pro or something else. You are never going to be perfect at once. It is never happens. If you see what cricketer is playing, he is not just a person who just come out like a miracle and started playing and he is just perfect. It is not going to happen. He practiced well. He made himself to play at the front. That's why he played like a hero. So first start your speaking. Second, just develop, just look at yourself, like where you are wrong and where you are going right. Pick out that the way where you are right and follow that path. And and the second third step, it just improve yourself. If today I have learned two sentences, tomorrow just try to learn four sentences. So this is how you are going to learn. This is exactly you are going to learn. Because I learned like this way, so I am telling you guys, you can also learn. And one more thing, people think that only English medium people can speak on English medium, students can speak in English. No ways. I have seen so many people out there who have learned in English speaking, in English medium school, but they are not able to speak that much fluent how I am speaking to you. I have seen so that's why I'm telling you guys, it is not a true fact that only English medium students can speak English. Anyone anyone can speak, and because it is a language, so it is not from the Hindi medium student or English medium student. I am from Hindi medium school. I studied in Hindi medium school after class 8. So I believe if I can speak, so anyone can speak. There is no chance that if you are from Hindi medium school and you cannot speak well, you can speak English in fluently. It is not true. Just do one thing. If you don't know the basics, learn basics, practice basics, and you are going to learn it. You are going to develop yourself. Just do like this, guys. Please don't scare, just take a first step. That's how you are going to learn. There is no other way to learn. There is no miracle to be happen in just a minute and just 1 2 days. It will take time, it will take time longer. Maybe some people will be so confident and so, their learning habits are very quick, so they can learn very quickly and they can observe very quickly and they can start very quickly. But maybe this can be happen that you will start slowly, you will develop yourself slowly, and you will improve yourself slowly. So believe in yourself and start speaking the way you can speak. So just hoping, there is no less, there is no so far. Just start today, even now. Just start, and believe me, if you will practice, if you will dedicate yourself to speak English, you will definitely learn. Thank you.